Hello families, and welcome to a FamilyCore app tutorial. When schedules get packed, it can be easy to lose track of things you have to do. With the FamilyCore app, managing tasks can be much easier. Tasks can be accessed in 3 ways. First, by tapping on the plus icon on the top right of the screen, this will open the Add to FamilyCore options. Then, tap to open the drop-down menu. Select Tasks, and then the blue plus button. Second, in the dashboard, there's another Add to FamilyCore section, in which you can open the drop-down menu. Select Tasks, and then press the plus button. Third, by tapping the Tasks option below the Add to FamilyCore section. And through the drop-down menu on the top left corner of the page, you can also find similar sections in the Activity and the My FamilyCore pages. In the Tasks page itself, you can create a task by tapping on the Add Task option. When creating a task, we first need to give it a name. Then decide its category. And while the free version of the app provides preset categories, the premium version allows users to create their own additional categories. Then assign it to the individual who will be doing the task. Choose whether the assignee can edit the task in the same way we are right now, or if they can only view it. Then we can choose if we want to tag members. Members who are neither tagged nor assigned the task won't be able to see it unless they're an admin. Then we need to choose a due date. To do this, tap the Choose Date option. You can tap the arrows to move through the months and the double arrows to move through the years. To select a single day, double tap that day. But to select a series of days, for example, a whole week, tap the first day once and then the second day. We can then choose a start time. And if the event repeats, tap the looping arrow sign. In it, you can choose if the event repeats daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or at a custom rate. For the times after weekly, you can choose whether you want the events to stop reoccurring after a certain date or number of times. For custom repeats, you could also choose if you want the event to repeat a certain amount of time, such as every 5 days, weeks, or years. As well as choose when, if at all, it should stop repeating. Next, we can add a location in case the task takes place somewhere specific. Then we can add a description so we know more about the event beyond the title. And if we want to, we can add a file, such as a document, an image, or a really short video. And now we can tap Add Task. The task should appear in the task list below. If you want to edit the task, tap the 3 dots next to the assignee's profile icon. Then tap Edit. After adding any changes, make sure to tap the Edit Task button. When creating the task, you'll probably notice it's labeled as Open. This means the task is still in progress. If you want to change its status, tap on the task and tap on the box next to the mark Complete. If you want to open the task again, tap on the task and then tap on the Mark Complete box again. To delete a task, just tap the 3 dots and then Delete option. But maybe it turns out you need to do the task again. In that case, you can actually tap to edit the deleted task and reopen the task by tapping the Edit Task button. If you want to quickly find or edit the task, you can use the filter and find it based on its status. Category, or the date it was made. And now you know how to use the activity feed. Life can be chaotic. We help make it simple. Download FamilyCore today. And thank you for tuning in.